Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to record or how to do voiceover in CapCut. To record or do voiceover in CapCut is very easy and very simple to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to open up your CapCut app. So once you open up your CapCut app, so you want to import the video you want to make voiceover for. So let's say we want to make voiceover for this particular video. So we want to make sure this is the video, you have imported it successfully. Then after importing, the next thing you want to do, if you check below the timeline on this video, you can see where it says add audio. So I want you to tap on that add audio. Once you tap on that add audio, it will display some things for you at the extreme bottom. So you want to check the extreme bottom. You are going to see we have where it says extract, we have sounds, blah blah blah. So what you want to tap on, you want to tap on record. You can see we have record there. You want to tap on that record. So once you tap on that record, you can see it displays a microphone at the middle. Do you now know what to do next? That microphone, you just tap on that microphone. It will give you countdown from 3 to 0, then it will begin. As you can see, the voiceover has begun successfully. So you just want to make the voiceover you want to do. After doing the voiceover, you want to tap on that microphone again. Once you tap on the microphone again, the voiceover will be created and recorded successfully. So to now listen to this voiceover, as you can see, we can drag it to the back. So if you check the top, if you check the bottom here and the top right side, you're going to see a check mark. Tap on that check mark. So you have successfully recorded a voiceover for this video. To now edit or align your voiceover to the video, you want to tap on the voiceover. Once you tap on it, you can get to split it, you can get to edit it, you can get to slow it down, you can get to fasten it, you can get to do a lot of things with it. But this is how you can actually record a voiceover for a video in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.